Hello everyone. In this video we will solve LeetCode problem number 2012, that is sum of beauty in the array. So let's read the problem statement first. You are given a zero index integer array nums for each index I greater than equal to 1 and I lesser than nums dot length minus 2. The beauty of nums of I equals the beauty of nums of I equals 2 if this condition holds, that is this big whole condition, and beauty is 1 if this condition holds and previous condition does not hold, and beauty is 0 if none of the above two condition holds. Return the sum of beauty of all nums of I where I greater than equal to 1 and I lesser than equal to nums dot length minus 2. So in this problem statement, we have to find the beauty of all element excluding the first element and the last element of the given array, and we have to sum all those beauty and we have to return it. So let's take this example and understand this problem better. So in example 1, that is the given nums array is 1, 2, 3. So we have to find the beauty from 1 to nums dot length minus 2. Nums dot length is 3 in this case. So we have nums dot length minus 2 will be 3 minus 2, 1. So we have to find beauty from 1 to 1. So we have to find the beauty of this element only because the length of array is 3. So how we can find the beauty of this element? So let's check for the condition. In first condition, what they are saying that all the elements to the left of this element should be lesser than this, and also they are saying that all the elements to the right of this element should be greater than this element, that they are saying in this. In the first part they are saying that nums of j should be lesser than nums of I for all j lesser than I and greater than equal to 0, and here they are saying nums of k should be greater than nums of I for all for all k greater than I and lesser than nums of length minus 1. So what they are asking, what they are saying, that all the elements on the left of this given element should be lesser, and all the elements on the right of this element should be greater, then beauty will be 2. And if this condition does not hold, then we have to check for the second condition, and second condition is simple. Just we have to check the previous element value, that is the value of previous element should be lesser and value of element after that element should be greater. So in second condition we don't need to check all the elements, we just need to check the immediate before and immediate after element, and if none of these two conditions are satisfied, then we have to just add 0 to it, or we can leave the beauty as it is. So this is the problem statement. So how we can solve this? So to solve this, what we can do is we can iterate through all the elements of the array. That is, if this is the problem statement 1, 2, 3, and if we have to find the beauty of this 2, then we need to iterate the all elements of the array on the left and all elements of the array on the right. Then iterating all the element will take order of n, and we have to do it for n minus 2 element. So n minus 2, and for all n minus 2 element it will take n time. So the time complexity of this algorithm will go to n square. And in the constraint part, what I can see is, so in constraint part what I can see is nums dot length can be is lesser than or equal to 10 raised to power 5. So if nums dot length is 10 raised to power 5 and we write an algorithm in order of n square, then we will get time limit exceeded cases. So for that we need to do it in the order of n or order of n log n. So another way of solving this is, what we can do is we will store the maximum encounter on the left of that element, and minimum encounter on the left of that element. So in example 2, that is 2, 4, 6, 4. So in this case, if we are finding the beauty of element on index 1 and element on index 2, so we will keep track of all the maximum encounter before this element. That is, maximum encounter is 2. For the 6, maximum encounter is 4, and for this 6, minimum encounter on the right is 4. For this 4, minimum encounter on the right is 4. So we can create a vector and we will store these value, and then we can directly check the condition number 1. So if we have to check condition number 1 for 4, then what we can do is we can compare the first element of the given vector, that is, let's assume this as vector v, and vector v first element is 2. So what we can do is we can compare this 2 with the 4, and this is greater, so the first part of this condition holds. And if we compare the second part of the condition, then this does not hold, because here we are having element whose value is 4, and that is present on the right side of this. So this will go to cross. So for this element, the beauty can't be 2. Then we will check for the we'll check further for beauty 1, and for beauty 1, this holds, I guess, because 2 is lesser than 4 and 6 is greater than 4. So beauty for this will be 1. Similarly for 6, element on the left is 4, that is good. On the right it is 4, so beauty can't be 2. For beauty is equal to 1, we can check is here we are having 4 on the left side, but we are having 4 on the right, that is not greater. So here beauty can't be 1 also. So the beauty of this element will be 0. So if we sum these two beauty, that is 1 plus 0, and we have to return this beauty as 1. So in this case, the beauty of the complete array will be equal to 1. So this way we can solve the problem. So let's code this in C++. So quickly I will explain what I did in this code. So this is the declaration and initialization part of the variables. So this I have created a pair inted type of vector and initialized it with the size n, that is of the same size of the nums array. So in this first for loop, I am storing the maximum value encountered till that index, that is maximum value encountered before that index, and we are storing in the first part of the vector. And in the second for loop, we are storing the minimum value encountered on the right of that array, that is that we are storing in the second int of that pair. So it should be minimum. I made a mistake. So after that, we are iterating through the given nums loop from index 1 to n minus 1, and we are calculating the beauty based upon these three conditions. That is, we are calculating the beauty based upon these three conditions. So let's run this code for one of the test case. So this is accepted. So let's run it for all the test cases. Yeah, so this is accepted. So thank you for watching this video.